everyone, it's Davita with WTI, and this brush right here has changed the game for my curls. It has made them so much more defined and thus in turn much more volume. This is the Diane Pro Nylon Pin Brush. I absolutely love the bristles of this brush. They're not too hard and stiff, and they're not too soft and pliable. I like that they are just the perfect in between. This brush doesn't pull my hair. I don't find that it rips hair out. It's actually quite gentle on my hair, and I have been loving the results I have been getting. It's really simple to use, so after your hair is wet after the shower, apply your products to your hair as normal, and then you're gonna want to section your hair off and brush through sections of hair. To give yourself more volume and lift, when you brush upwards from the root up, and that will help to give you more volume. After brushing, you're gonna wanna shake your hair to give it that curl back, and then at the very end, I like to just give it one big scrunch. Then diffuse, and you are ready to go. So I am so happy I've been using this brush. I love the results that I'm getting. I love the definition, and I think you'll be really happy too. And that's my point of view.